Alright, I'm out here with the Animal 2. These are the first runs of the season, brushing the dust off. It is a little choppy out today. Wind speed's a little higher than I would like, so I might just do one run and call it a day. Just got finished running this Superdome. She's looking good, looking fast. But she's on the verge of taking off. Winds are starting to creep up over 11 miles an hour. I generally don't like coming out in anything over 10 miles an hour. Because of flipping. And not only that, when you got a decent amount of wind, when they flip, they will blow away quite fast. But she's looking good. She's running on 45-19 prop. Should be good for 75-ish. Full tips. Kind of taking it easy because of how gusty it is. And I don't want to end up using a rescue tug today. Let's get another pass in and then call it a day. Maybe 2 passes. She's looking fast. We'll call it a day after this last pass. Alright, time to bring her in. Alright, that's it for now. GoPro stop recording.